Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to fix a new doorknob. So sometimes when you install a new doorknob, the plate here doesn't sit quite properly. So what happens is when you, let me just show you here. So what happens here is when you close the door, it doesn't quite shut, and so the door doesn't connect, or it doesn't connect right to the groove in here, and I'm going to show you how to really easily fix that. So again, just unscrew that. Okay. So one of the common mistakes is, you end up using the same holes as you did with your old doorknob, and so what happens is it doesn't sit quite right. So you can pull this out and it's gonna sit right there. So you're gonna have to drill a new hole right in here and then put new screws in there, and that'll make it sit out a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is, since I wanna drill a new hole and it's right beside the existing hole, I'm gonna put screws in there just to hold it in place so the new hole doesn't go right into the existing hole. So what I've done is I'm using just these small screws, and I'm just gonna use it as a face plate or a covering. As you can see, they're nice and flush. And now I can drill the new set of holes right beside it. What I've done is I've actually pre-drilled a hole here, so it makes it easier for me to screw. So again, it's right beside that existing hole. I'm gonna go right beside it, as you can see there. I'm just gonna do pre-drill. So now that I've pre-drilled it, screw back in. So now you can see that this plate sits just a little bit forward here. So now the doorknob tongue should be able to get in there. All right, let's see. See again. And it sits nicely. Now it sits properly. Fixed.